Welcome back to the PLC Automation course. In this video, we will learn how to use structs, UDTs, and arrays in TIA Portal, using a real industrial machine example. This is one of the most important topics if you want to program PLCs professionally. What are structs and UDTs? In real automation projects, we don't work with single variables. We work with machines, tanks, motors, and valves, and each of these contains many signals. That's why Siemens provides structs and UDTs. A struct allows us to group related variables together. A UDT allows us to reuse that structure anywhere in the program. Instead of writing many separate variables, we create one clean structure that represents a complete tank or machine. PLC to HMI structure. In this project, we separate the logic into two parts: a PLC structure for machine control, a HMI structure for visualization and commands. The HMI reads data from the selected tank and sends commands back to the PLC. This is exactly how real industrial HMIs and SCADA systems work. In this video, we explain how to use structs, UDTs, and arrays in TIA Portal using a real industrial machine example. This lesson is part of a complete PLC automation course, where you learn how to program PLCs the professional way. What you will learn: what structs and UDTs are, how to create reusable PLC data structures, how to use arrays for multiple tanks, how PLC and HMI communicate, how real industrial PLC programs are structured, used in real applications, industrial mixing systems, batch processing, water treatment, machine automation, SCADA and HMI projects, software used, Siemens TIA Portal, structured text SCL, PLC and HMI integration. This video is part of the PLC Automation course. Subscribe to continue with the next lessons. HMI integration, very important. In this video you also learn how PLC structures connect to HMI, how to display tank data dynamically, how to select tanks using an index, how to safely send commands from HMI to PLC. This is the same method used in SCADA systems, industrial HMIs, multi-machine installations. Real industrial use case. This structure is used in mixing systems, water treatment plants, chemical batching, food processing lines, multi-station machines. It is not theory, it is how real automation systems are programmed. This video is part of the PLC Automation course, PLC Basics. Manual mode, auto mode, timers and sequences, structs, UDTs and arrays. This video, HMI integration. Alarm handling. Complete machine project. So if you want to truly learn PLC programming the professional way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. In this course, we are building real industrial projects step by step, from basic control logic to complete automation systems with HMI, alarms, and structured programming. Every new video continues where the previous one stopped, so by subscribing you won't miss any important lesson in the course. In the next videos, we will work with advanced HMI communication, multi-tank control systems, alarm handling and diagnostics, real-world PLC programming techniques used in industry. This course is designed for technicians, engineers, and anyone who wants to master PLC programming using real examples, not just theory. So make sure to subscribe, enable notifications, and follow the full course step by step. I'll see you in the next lesson.